Built for one thing, speed, long legs and a spine like a spring, a tail for perfect balance. It stalks, then strikes with lightning speed, a hunt measured in seconds. Speed, precision, survival. In the tall golden grass, the cheetah becomes a shadow, silent, patient, nearly invisible. It creeps low, eyes locked on a herd, waiting for the perfect moment. With a sudden burst, it explodes into action, accelerating faster than any other land animal. Most hunts are solo, but sometimes siblings team up, moving in silent synchrony. Their favorite prey? Fleet-footed gazelles and impalas, masters of evasion themselves. Only about half of chases end in success. For the cheetah, every meal is a hard-won prize.